Everything you just saw was made with the xtool M2, and not one single piece was hard to design. No Illustrator, no graphic design degree, no watching tutorials until my eyes crossed. I made every one of these myself, and I've got zero professional design experience. Zero. Want to know my secret? Meet my newest design partner, Atom.com. You are going to love what it can do. This adorable little gift box, the sides, the lid, that bow, it's a pre-designed project sitting right inside Atom. And here's what I did to design it. Absolutely nothing. I selected the project, clicked to open it in xtool Studio, and everything's already arranged, sized, and ready to cut. But here's the part I love. The bow. It's cut from flat 3mm basswood, but the slits in the wood make it bendable. How cool is that? Assembly's a breeze. It's like building a puzzle, and a bit of regular craft glue locks it in. A finished wood gift box, and I designed exactly none of it. So what is Atom? It was built by xtool, and they did something absolutely genius. They bridged that Grand Canyon-sized gap between what I can imagine in my head and what the machine can actually make. If you want gorgeous projects without spending hours learning design software, Atom is going to be your new best friend. Why? Because it's got a massive library packed with designs that are ready to go. No software, no headaches, zero prep. The files already come optimized. You just pick what you want to create and load it straight into xtool software. But here's where it gets really wild. Atom has a whole suite of AI generators. Basically, if it hasn't been invented yet, Atom will make it for you. Let's try one. Say you want to make a personalized keychain, a name necklace, a cake topper, something with someone's actual name on it. This is the name gift generator, and watch how fast this is. You pick your template, whether it's a layered keychain, a snap fit necklace, classic nameplate, or a watermark. Just browse the left sidebar and grab the style that fits. Now, make it yours. Type the name in the panel on the right. Pick your font. Dial in the size, the letter spacing, the stroke width, and you can watch the whole thing update in real time in a 3D preview right in the center of your screen. What you see there is exactly what's going to cut. And finally, add some finishing touches like a heart, or take the keyhole out or add the keyhole. It's all up to you. Once you're happy with it, one click opens a ready-to-cut file straight into xtool Studio. Custom name pieces, production ready, in under 60 seconds. 60 seconds! Okay, the creative tools are cool, and I've got more coming, but here's where it gets really spooky good. Atom has AI-powered tools that turn a sentence into a design in seconds. I wanted to create a heart keychain, so I picked the AI Make feature. The prompt's already there for me. I simply load my image and AI draws the artwork for me. And I'm not talking rough scribbles. I mean real usable designs, clean lines, actual detail, all from one sentence. Not 100% happy with the first draft? Hit that generate button again and it does exactly what you want. And just like before, it flows right into xtool Studio, ready to engrave and cut. I'll be honest, this one still feels a little like magic to me. Typing one sentence and watching it show up on physical wood, that's pretty cool. But that's not even the best part. Let me show you. Stickers, because who doesn't love stickers? Atom makes it ridiculously easy with their sticker generator. You can make a sticker from an image or from text. Just type what you want and it builds the artwork from scratch. You can even pick the vibe you want: cartoon, flat, candy, trendy, logo, or watercolor. Honestly, that alone is worth an afternoon of playing around. Single sticker? Done. Full sheet? Go for it. You can even choose kiss cut or die cut and set the attributes right there. When you're finished, hit open and it lands in xtool Studio with the print and cut paths already set up, ready to run. Custom sticker sheet, concept to print ready without ever touching a design program? That right there is amazing. Now, with everything I've just shown you, you're probably thinking, okay, Felicia, what's this going to cost me? And here's the good news. Atom doesn't work the way you'd expect. It runs on what they call a freemium model. Think of it like a neighborhood studio of makers. You just walk in like you own the place and start creating. Here's the deal. A ton of project files are free. because makers in the laser community share their designs just to help creators like me. Basic templates for signs, photo frames, and more are free. Basic image prep tools, free. And the second you sign up, you get 200 free credits just for making an account. That's about $2 to play with. You earn even more free credits just by logging in daily and by publishing your own projects to the community. You can also unlock premium tools without spending a dime. Now here's where credits come in and why it actually makes total sense. Premium design files cost credits because when a pro designer spends hours building an intricate exclusive template, they deserve to get paid for that. Fair, right? To give you a feel for it, advanced AI features like the text-to-image generator run about 6 to 15 credits per image. That's roughly 6 to 15 cents. We're talking pennies for all this magic. All right, last one, and it's a fun one. The word cloud generator with 3 built-in templates. I wanted to make a vinyl record for my partner in crime, Fresh. He writes music in his spare time. So I chose the vinyl template, and oh my goodness, it's so easy. Fill in the boxes, paste in the lyrics, adjust your sizing and fonts, and you're done. One click, straight into xtool Studio, ready to engrave. No exporting, no file conversion, no extra steps. It really does not get any easier than that. So let's recap. The gift box, the watermark, the AI engraving, the stickers, this record art, every single thing you saw today required 0 design experience. And that's the whole point. So why is Adam my new best friend? You get in for free. You earn credits just by showing up and participating. And when you go to spend, you're supporting real creators and real technology. Pretty simple once you see it laid out, right? If you want to get into the nitty-gritty of how Adam credits work, I'll drop a link in the description below. Hopefully you found this helpful and learned a few things. What will your first Adam project be? Let me know in the comments below. Go ahead, click subscribe and hit that bell. We've got fresh content dropping every week. As for me, I'm off to make some more fun, unique gifts using Adam. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.